Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. Today I would like to say thank you. Thanks for now 3,000 subscribers. It's a really cool milestone, and although the video is still a kind of niche channel, or it always will remain as one, I do not get any income out of this. It's basically a hobby, a small project in my free time, and it's running now since 2 years. So bigger YouTubers will probably laugh about 3,000 subscribers after 2 years. I still have to say that it's pretty impressive to see that, well, 3,000 people have interest in my topics. And of course, I don't have 3,000 views on all my videos, always a few hundreds or so, but it's amazing to see the statistics and see that people are actually watching what I do. And this is a really cool motivational thing. Although you have noticed, especially those of you who are always catching up with the latest videos, that I did not publish anything for the last weeks. But worry not, autumn is coming now, so more time sitting in front of the computer instead of, well, going outside where it's raining. Yeah, so thanks again, and I have a very small change on my GitHub repository, something where I would like to have more interaction with you to see what kind of ideas you have and so on. So there will be no science today. Yeah, don't worry. A new Sandbox video and so on will be published tomorrow. But I would say let's go to my GitHub repository. The link is always also in the description. And a small idea how we can maybe interact more in the future. So let's go to my repository. Well, again, my YouTube channel, now 3,000 subscribers, really cool. Thanks again. I said it in the beginning, but this is a very cool milestone for me. I don't know, people do some subscriber specials also, but I think this is too niche to do some specials. I don't know. Maybe I will talk in the future something about my science projects I did when I was in academia, but yeah, let's see. Anyway, let's go to my GitHub repository. And you see here in GitHub that we have here the coding parts and so on, everything that has been put in the coding parts. But even if you're not a coder, if you're only watching my Sandbox video or you are interested in science in general, please consider signing up for GitHub and go here to issues. Now we are not talking about issues, but we can use this website here, this page, to submit ideas. Yeah, so if you have any idea, you can go here and click on new issue. And then there are like 3 templates you can use, like some Python coding idea. I call it science and stuff. So for example, if you found an interesting paper or news and would like to know more, and maybe creating a small YouTube video out of this, and maybe also with a coding part or so, then put it there. Or if you have any idea for a numerical simulation in Universe Sandbox, put your ideas here as well. So I think this is a very good idea to do this. Also maybe on YouTube comments, but YouTube comments is more chaotic. Here it's very structured. I was also thinking to create some kind of Reddit subreddit or Discord server or so, but I think this will take a lot of time also to maintain, and I'm just one guy. So I would suggest that if you have any ideas, please use this template. You can simply click here on, for example, get started. Some information is just put here, like please provide a detailed universe sandbox idea, blah, blah, blah. And you can also create now, add a title. Yeah, I would always write something that is clear, let's say. You don't have to think about whether it's related to Universe Sandbox or not, because here are the so-called labels. Don't change them, so everything is preset, so I can sort it. And then if you have anything you would like to see, please add, because, well, I still have tons of ideas, but if you have any idea and so you like the ideas of others, then of course push the ideas here on GitHub and we will get started. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for the subscribers. Keep watching, support my channel if you like it. And what else can I say? Give your ideas and see you soon with new videos.